Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will find the area of a trapezoid. Here we have a trapezoid. The area of a trapezoid is the measure of the region enclosed by the trapezoid. That means that the area of this trapezoid is all of the space inside of these four sides. To find the area of a trapezoid, we will use the formula area equals half times base 1. In this case, base 1 is 10 feet, plus base 2, which is 8 feet, times the height, which is 5 feet. So let's plug in the measurements. Area equals half times base 1 is 10 feet, plus base 2, which is 8 feet, times the height, which is 5 feet. Let's solve. Area equals half times, we know we have to solve parentheses first. 10 plus 8 is 18, times 5. And now we just have multiplication, so we can multiply in any order. Area equals half times 18. We know that means half of 18, which is 9, times 5. And we know 9 times 5 is 45, so the area is 45 feet squared. The area or space inside of this trapezoid is 45 feet squared. Now let's find the area of this trapezoid. Base 1 is 10 feet and base 2 is 6 feet. The height is 7 feet. Let's plug in the measurements. Area equals half times base 1 is 10 feet, plus base 2, which is 6 feet, times the height, which is 7 feet. Now we have to solve parentheses first. Area equals half times, we know 10 plus 6 is 16, times 7. And now we have multiplication, so we can multiply in any order. Area is half times 16, which means half of 16, which is 8, times 7. That means the area is 56 feet squared. The area of this trapezoid is 56 feet squared. Let's find the area of this right trapezoid. Base 1 is 12 feet, base 2 is 8 feet, and the height is 10 feet. Let's plug in the measurements. Area equals half times base 1 is 12 feet, and base 2 is 8 feet, plus 8, times the height, which is 10 feet. Let's solve parentheses first. Area equals half times, we know 12 plus 8 is 20, times 10. And now we just have multiplication. Area equals half times 20, which means half of 20, which is 10. And we still have times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. That means the area is 100 feet squared. The area enclosed in this trapezoid is 100 feet squared. Let's find the area of this trapezoid. Area equals half times base 1 would be 9 centimeters, plus base 2 would be 4 centimeters, times the height, which is 5 centimeters. Area equals half times, let's solve parentheses first. 9 plus 4 is 13, times 5. Now we can multiply in any order. Area equals, let's start with 13 times 5. We know 10 times 5 is 50, and 3 times 5 is 15. That makes 65. So half times 65, which means half of 65. That means the area equals 32.5 or 32.5 centimeters squared.